Respected teacher and all my dear friends. I am Nishant Kumar from BSc-IT third year batch 1. Here I am going to describe about a protocol which is given by Ram Lakhan sir. So now what is protocol? Protocol is a set of rules and regulation which will be followed. Exchange the data between two computer terminal between computer. The recommunication agreement about the forms. The protocol is the message data is sent and received acknowledgement. Whenever you are sending data from one computer to another computer, at that age response will be back in the form of acknowledgement. The protocol ensures the delivery of information packet across the network. The protocol ensure करता है delivery of packet across the network. Just like in this diagram, you can see here how the one computer send the files from one computer to another computer. This is the IP address of one computer, and this is the IP address of second computer. The first computer will share this file to another computer. The Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol is responsible for providing logical address, routing information between two network. How is the Internet Protocol will be work? Here is the different types of node, you can say machine, and in between the router will be involved to sharing a network. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol will be the protocol in the 80 protocol in which work, and HTTPS, HTTP with secure socket layer. HTTPS if secure socket layer 443 protocol will be used. This protocol is used to access, send and receive web page. In this diagram, you can see here how a web user can access the web page from the web server. Let's suppose you are going on Chrome and typing something that will sending a request to a server, and server give the response to the client. You can access a web page in the form of metadata or document. Simple mail transfer protocol. How simple mail transfer protocol will be performed? This protocol is used for the transfer the mail between computer. Here you can see computer client 1 and client 2. Let's suppose here a person which is using Outlook, which is the Microsoft email service. From one computer he will send to the another person from email server. The sending the simple mail transfer protocol is used. The protocol is 25 and HTTP is the push the mail to the another computer, and using post office protocol and another IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol, which will, when the receiver receive the mail, then post office protocol will work the data in which the mail office store, that will be the pop deleted. And but in the protocol of Internet Message Access Protocol, it will create a copy. When the user will be deleted, then you can access all the files mail. File transfer protocol. In file transfer protocol, we can download a file or upload a file. Where the file transfer protocol will be work on the protocol 20 and 21. Layer organization programming is the separate functional unit. Programming separate functional. In this, you can see here some sequential and hierarchical way in which different layer will be performed. Here the diagram how the simple mail transfer protocol which will be work. Already explained that. Already explained. Thank you.